Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play eFootball on your iPhone. First, download the eFootball app directly from the App Store. Make sure your device has at least 3 GB of free storage for the game and updates. A stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi, is crucial for smooth gameplay. Finally, create or log in with your Konami ID to ensure all your progress and achievements are safely saved across devices. This setup process is quick and easy, getting you into the action fast. Once you are in the game, mastering the basic controls is key. Use the virtual joystick on the left side of your screen to move your players around the pitch. To pass or shoot, simply tap the right side of the screen. For more advanced passes, swipe up for a through ball or down for a lob pass. Spend some time in the training mode. It is an excellent way to get comfortable with these fundamental actions and improve your precision. Ready to elevate your game? Advanced techniques can give you a significant edge. Try utilizing skill moves by swiping and tapping simultaneously for dazzling dribbles. On defense, learn to press opponents and time your tackles effectively to win back possession. Understanding different player roles and team formations is vital for creating strong team synergy. Experiment with various managers, as each offers unique tactical instructions that can perfectly match your playing style. Building a formidable team is a core part of the eFootball experience. Acquire new players through scouts, agents, or by participating in special in-game events. Focus on developing your players' skills and levels to maximize their on-field performance. Regularly engage in online matches and seasonal events to earn valuable rewards and currency. Strategically manage your in-game resources, like GP and coins, to wisely invest in new talent and team enhancements, leading your squad to victory.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.